today. What we do today so far? Show them. So remember the old fender? Big old fat dent. Badao. Dent. Yeah. So I went on OfferUp. Got a new one. $100. Not bad. So we got that. No more dent. And then we got boom. Facebook Marketplace. We got a new front bumper from 140. Both these guys were super cool. And yeah, we're gonna put this bumper on here. And then yeah, pretty much get some the dents out, and then it's time to wax, polish, and get it right, huh? Well, this is the progress. Let's get that bumper on and see what it looks like. And just like that, bumper is on. What you guys think? Pretty clean. A lot better than that other one. It already has a brand new emblem too. I have brand new emblems, but it already has a brand new one. I'll wait till that one gets faded and we'll put another one on. Looks, you know what it's missing, Bren? Them headlights need to get buffed, bruh. Should I go ahead and make those brand new? Yeah? Yeah. All right. Right about... Check out the headlights. They look brand new. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Are you capping? Mm-hmm. He's not capping, guys. Do these look brand new? All right, go ahead and hold this to show you what brand new looks like. Now, were you capping or were you capping? I think you were capping. I don't think you were trying to hurt my feelings, bruh. But I know that wasn't fresh. This is fresh. See that? Bam. Brand spanking new. All right, new fender, new bumper, new grille, and just redid the headlights. Like, comment, and subscribe. You see your boy sweat. Doesn't hurt to just go boop, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. See you in the next one. Let's get fresh. Let's go.